Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut. So here I've already imported a video in the main track and I want to use the green screen overlay. So first click on the overlay button, add overlay, and then select the green screen overlay. So here I'm going to go to library, click on the green screen category, and now I'm going to choose a green screen video. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the green screen, click on add. Don't forget to adjust the size, and after that just remove the green screen using the chroma key. Click on the overlay and find the remove PG option. Click on the chroma key and drag the color picker into the green screen like this. After you isolate the color, adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, after that just click on the check icon and this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.